My dear friends, you require IVF and you're scared of it. You don't want to go for IVF. You are trying simpler ways but still are not able to conceive a baby just because you feel that IVF is dreadful. Why IVF? IVF is not a taboo. So namaste everyone. I am here to tell you that IVF is not a dreadful treatment. My patients often ask me, Dr. Leena, how many IVF cycles will I need to become pregnant? A very tricky question which you ask a doctor, and the most trickiest part of it is that even I don't know the answer. You know what? When we give you a suggestion of IVF, you have to have faith on us and you have to have faith on your doctor that your doctor has almost tried everything. And then only your doctor is telling you to go for IVF. Yes, it is true. IVF is always given as the only option when your doctor knows that there are no other means by which you can get pregnant. And the reason of doing an IVF is not one. There are multiple reasons. Maybe you fall into some of the category which has led you to the treatment of IVF. It can be because of tubal issues. It can be because of a poor egg reserve in your ovary. It can be because you are a patient of premature ovarian failure, where you've had your menopause much earlier than the other female. It can be because you have blocked tubes. It can be because you have got a history of tuberculosis in the past and you're not able to conceive. It can be because that your uterus is again and again having abortions, and there are some genetic issues which can only be sorted out by IVF. It can be because of male factor infertility. So please don't dread IVF and never ask your doctor that, doctor, how many cycles of IVF would I need before you can give me a baby? You are a lucky one. You can get conceived in one cycle, even if all the things are abnormal in you. If you're not able to get pregnant in the first cycle of IVF, that does not mean that your doctor has not done good to you. IVF is not a taboo. IVF is not a scare. But yes, IVF is costly. IVF involves taking multiple injections. IVF involves a lot of hormones. But those hormones, those injections, are only given to you to make multiple eggs, to make your body receptive towards the embryo, because after all, IVF is making you pregnant mechanically in the first go. Later on, when you conceive and your body receives the embryo, your axis of the brain generates hormones towards accepting the embryo. Then you are like any other normal pregnant woman. It is not that an IVF baby is different from a normal baby. These questions are always asked to me, and I always wonder why people fear IVF. Like any other treatment, IVF is also a form of treatment, a way of treatment, which is giving you your bundle of joy. And there are steps which we go ahead for IVF. So please don't fear IVF. If it is advised to you, please accept it that it is the only form of treatment which you have to undergo when you want a child. How many cycles of IVF you should undergo before you get a pregnancy is not fixed. Yes, there are multiple factors which are involved, and your fertility expert will always try best that this should be covered all in one go in the first cycle itself. But somehow, most of the times, if it's not done, then you might get pregnant in the second cycle, you might get pregnant in the third cycle, but thinking that you will not get pregnant in the first cycle, and that is why you don't want to undergo IVF, is not good. So please come to us. IVF has got multiple treatments. IVF is not only about just doing a simple IVF cycle. IVF comes under ART treatment, and ART treatments have got multiple things, multiple sections under it. So in ART treatment, yes, IVF is one form of treatment. ICSI is another form. The third form of treatment is PICSI. We also do IUIs and double IUIs as a part of ART treatment. We do cycles of donor egg, where females don't have eggs of their own and they want to conceive. In those cases, we take semen from the husband and give a donor egg to the female, and that's how we make a baby and put inside you. We also do donor semen IUIs and donor semen IVFs. So there is a whole lot of platform which is available and which is exactly decided once the doctor sees your case. Hoping to see you soon. Please don't be fearful of IVF.